People are making more than $100,000 a month doing what humans have been doing for centuries, but with the help of AI. The best part is you can do it too. Artificial intelligence is expected to add $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's a lot of money. And if you don't take action now, you're going to lose all of it. So let's start exploiting AI for our benefit. I've brought 3 ways of earning that are sure to capitalize on the AI boom and help you start earning money right away, and the last method is the most profitable. These have been ranked according to supply and demand percentage. The first way to make money with AI is through content writing or creative writing. This field encompasses various subcategories, such as blog writing, article writing, email sales letter writing, and newsletter writing. The demand for high-quality content in these areas is high, and with the help of AI-powered tools and software like GPT-4, content creators can automate certain parts of the writing process. While AI-powered tools such as GPT-3 and GPT-4 can streamline content creation, it's important to note that they may not be the best fit for every type of writing. To achieve optimal results, content creators should explore AI alternatives that are tailored to specific content categories. For instance, Copy.ai is an excellent choice for copywriting, while Writersonic and Koala excel at article and blog writing, respectively. These platforms offer advanced features and capabilities that outperform GPT-3 and 4 in their respective niches, making them a valuable investment for maximizing productivity and output. Additionally, it's important to consider where to sell your work. You have the option to either become a freelancer or start your side hustle like a blog or a newsletter site. It is important to note that the demand might be high but the supply is high as well, so this is a relatively competitive space. The second big opportunity lies in coding. This field is in high demand but has a limited supply, as not everyone knows how to code. Capturing this market could potentially make you millions. Coding encompasses various subcategories, such as website development, app development, game development, chatbot development, and many more. It doesn't matter if you don't have high coding knowledge. With AI tools like GPT-4, you can make coding a piece of cake. Coding with GPT-4 is so easy you can make a website about cheesy jokes that are written on a used napkin using a photo. In addition to GPT-4, you can use platforms like Midjourney to create website designs that look like they were created by a professional designer held at gunpoint. However, creating an app or game using GPT-4 can be more challenging, requiring intermediate coding knowledge. Fortunately, technology has advanced, and there are now sites like Flutterflow that allow you to create an app without any coding knowledge or use Buildbox to create a game without coding. Additionally, Bubble can be used to create web subscription services. While these options may require some time investment, they can be well worth it if you're willing to invest. Now, let's talk about the category that has the highest potential for earning: teaching. Out of all the categories, this one has the highest demand and the lowest competition, and there's a reason for that. I'm not talking about becoming a bald professor teaching in an unknown university. I'm referring to seizing the AI opportunity that's right in front of you. AI is the future, and the person who can master it will make the most money. There's a competition to see who can master it first, but the problem is that only a few people are capable of teaching others how to master AI. These few people are making millions in the process, and you can be one of them. This is evident on the 2 largest learning platforms, Udemy and Skillshare. If you search for courses on ChatGPT, you'll find only a few thousand available, and even fewer on Midjourney. Even courses uploaded recently have made hundreds of thousands of dollars. Take, for instance, the first course on Udemy with almost 13,200 students enrolled. The instructor has made well over $1 million in just 5 months, assuming the course was released in December after the ChatGPT model was launched in November. That means the course is earning well over $200,000 per month. The potential for teaching AI-related topics is enormous, and the earnings potential is limitless. In the end, each has its unique benefits and potential for success. Whether you want to create content more efficiently, learn to code and build apps, or teach others to master AI, there is a path for you to achieve your financial goals. So why not start exploring these opportunities today and see where it takes you?